The health insurance industry has changed in many ways over the past few years. Whether you're a fan of these changes or not, one thing is common: it's more of a headache. There's more regulation, more limits on coverage, more pre-authorizations, denials, and higher deductibles. With these changing times, it's becoming more and more common for patients to be faced with having to pay for their injections out of pocket. Here's a few recent scenarios I've encountered. A patient came in expecting to get an epidural steroid injection. He'd already missed several days of work and did not want to jeopardize any more of his sick days. But his insurance required an evaluation first and then took several days to review his case. Another patient had a high deductible and had not met her deductible yet. She needed an injection and was headed to another area clinic, and at the last minute was told that she needed to bring in over $1,000 to pay for her injection. She canceled the appointment, came here, and received the injection at less than half of what she was going to have to pay over there. Another gentleman had a couple of epidural steroid shots many years ago that rendered him pain-free. He was able to exercise again and do yoga and was perfectly fine. And then he had a flare-up and came in wanting the same injection he had had done a few years ago. But his insurance would not authorize it and required him to go to physical therapy for 8 weeks. Lastly, a woman came in for a sacroiliac joint injection. This is an injection that's been done for many years and has been very successful, and every insurance company has approved it and paid for it, including Medicare. She came in, we did the injection, and she had great benefit. But 2 weeks later, her insurance notified us that they were not going to pay for her injection because it was experimental. So, whatever your circumstance, if you find yourself facing paying for your injection out of pocket, we don't want to inhibit you from getting the treatment you need when you need it. Call us. We have the most affordable self-pay rates for spine injections in Charleston.